Welcome to Vito's Italian Cucina. I'm Vito, and boy, we are going to have a great time today. Today we're going to do one of my family's favorites, sausage and peppers and onions and marron, and of course some beautiful, beautiful soft rolls here. And these are going to be for the salsiccia, and that's what we're going to be doing. And we're going to get to the salsiccia in just a second. But first, I want to bring you over here and show you what I got going over at the stove right here. So come on over. So what I did here at the beginning was I chopped up some onions. I chopped up the green pepper that I showed you over there, okay? And then I have some garlic, some butter, a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to put a little bit of pepper and some seasoning there. And look at this. See this? This is marinated red peppers, yellow peppers, a little bit of spices in there, and so a little bit of olive oil. Over here, I'm going to go get something. You ready to go? Oh, whoa, you thought I was going to go then, didn't you? Come on, come on. Ah, look what we got here. Now, this is really important. Fresh salsiccia, fresh sausage, right from the deli, right from the market, the deli that I go to. You're going to love this. Open this baby up. Look at this fresh salsiccia. Marron. Look at this. And we got some mild, and we have some hot. So here they are. You can tell the difference too. The mild is a little bit lighter in color. You see that? And the hot has a little reddish tint to it. And you can see the difference there, okay? There it is right there. I'll show you hamburger side by side. So you can wrap them together. It's not gonna get anything on each other like that over hot and the mild, okay? So we're gonna take these, and guess what we're gonna do to these, folks? We're gonna barbecue today. So we're gonna take you outside to my little barbecue pit outside, and we're gonna do some outside cooking. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and start these babies up and start them sauteing, okay? So here we go. Get them a-going now. You gotta get them a-going. There you go. First thing you gotta do is get the right burner. That's the first thing. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and start to put this together like so, just like this. And we'll start these sauteing. We'll get these going. Then we're gonna go outside and we're gonna stick on the salsiccas on the barbecue. I'm excited about this, folks. I am excited. We don't want to cook it too hot there. We'll bring it down a little bit. Bring that down. Are you ready to go? Let's go! Outside and we go. Well, we're going to go outside and we go. I'm going to run at you. Oh, hey. Watch your step there. Jimmy the Beak's on camera. Say hi, Jimmy.
Hello.
Hey, there he is. I tell you. So let's go on over here. Now look at this. Isn't this gorgeous out here? Look at this. This is my outside little, getaway here, and I love to do this out here, so we'll stick this right here like this. Here's the barbecue. I got it going at about 300 degrees right now, and I'm going to go ahead and put the salsiccia on, and we're going to just keep watching it, put the lid down. So here we go. And I got the milds. I'll do all the milds first, okay? Here we go. Got some mild, and you're ready to go. Ready to go? Oh, you're going to go that way? I'm going to turn, you don't want to turn your back to the guests, you know what I mean? So I'll put them on like this. Look at that. Marron. Oh, God. Isn't this great, folks? Salsiccia. I love it. Remember to sing it to your food. The food loves it to you sing it to. Listen like it is. Just like it is. And we'll put this one over here like that. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. Isn't that great? Ah, look how beautiful those look. So you go ahead and you just let them start simmering right there. And then, we're going to turn them in just a little bit. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and bring the lid down. But I'm going to tell you something. Being outside and barbecuing outside is one of the most wonderful things. And especially today, it's a great, beautiful day with the greenery out here. I'm going to tell you something. I can't believe it is so nice out here. I cannot. Hey, where'd the camera go? Let's go ahead and check on our salsiccia one more time, huh? Looking good. Looking good. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? I love that. I love that. Wait a minute. I'm sauteing the onions and the bell peppers. They're going to burn. Oh, looks good. Don't want to burn these babies. Want them to caramelize and everything. But they looking good. Oh, look how beautiful this is looking. Huh? Okay. Now, I got to go check the salsiccia again. Remember, folks, what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to go ahead and put some of this now. This is our red bell peppers. This all, look how caramelized these onions are. This is all nicely cooked down, okay? Isn't that great? And then we're going to go ahead and put some of this in here like this. Just like that. Ooh, what's that steam? That's hot stuff, huh? We'll go put some more. Okay. Never can have too many of them, I'll tell you that. Get our bun. These are soft rolls right here. And if you want to, you could dig out a little bit of the bread. I like to do that so you don't get so much bread inside there like that. And we'll go and put this on the side just like that. And we take this and we'll put our salsiccia in there like that. Okay? And we're just gonna make one like this, just like it is. Huh? You like that? And then we can always cut that in half. You're gonna love that. You are gonna love that. Okay? Then we go ahead and we get our everything. Look how that went together, folks. Oh my God. This is wonderful, isn't it? Look at this. Then we go ahead and we put it in there just like this. Just like this. Hefty, baby. Hefty! Okay? Look at this. Just like that. Oh, this is gonna kill you. I love it! I love it. And then on top of that, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put it. I'm gonna go get it. Here we go. Mozzarella. Put some mozzarella, just like it is. Just like that. A little mozzarella. Okay, then we take that, and I'm going to use this pan right here. And we got our oven going at broil. And we put a pan on it just like that, and it's all heating up. And we put it in there just for a few minutes. You got to really keep an eye on it, okay, folks? Put her in there just like that. Can you see that in there, Jimmy? Looks good, huh?
On my way.
There he is. There we go. Now I'm going to close the oven. Bang! I love it. Let's go check on the sandwich. Come on. Ah! Bang! Look at that, baby. I love it. That looks great, doesn't it? Let's bring that baby out of there. It's just right. It's just right. Look at that. Let me get out there. You see me almost touch my hand on that pan? Maron, that hurt too. Look at that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut that in half a little later. I want to thank Jimmy the Beak, my operator, and my producer, and my wife Narita May, one of our producers. And I want to thank Cheryl Giambavo for these beautiful camera-ready bowls. For me, Maron, hasta benedica, ciao. Hey!